Hello parents, welcome to Super Kids Parenting. We were discussing about the activities related with the multiple intelligence, and we have covered almost all 8 intelligence. The last one is about spiritual intelligence. So activities for spiritual intelligence includes one of the activity is praying together with the child, giving them the exposure of various religious places, taking them around, and reading the mythological stories to the child, and making them watch a few videos related with our religion and stories related to that, and knowing about culture. And praying is one of the major activity which you can consider under spiritual intelligence. One more activity which we consider under spiritual intelligence is giving a confidence to the child, giving a self-esteem of the child, considering the self-esteem of the child, making the child confident about to face anything which comes up in the life is very important. So giving them the exposure of good things, and at the same time philanthropical work wherein you take the child to the orphanages or donation where you can give it to the child, along with the child helping the poor and needy, not only the human beings, even with the animals also. This is all which comes under the spiritual intelligence. So probably giving a water to a bird, or keeping a bowl of grains outside the house for birds to come and eat, can be anything. Probably giving a food to the needy who are really hungry. So taking the child for all these activity also plays a very important role in giving spiritual intelligence. Apart from these activities, playing the strong values at home, being honest, truthful, and not judgmental, not analyzing others, helping others, mingling with others, humbleness, being truthful, all these values which the child learns from the parents. So being a very good role model. At the same time, reading stories related to that also gives a very strong foundation to the child in terms of spiritual growth. Apart from this, we have discussed now with activities for all the intelligence. So each activity for each intelligence, you can do it every day. Take for example of visual intelligence, you can do art and craft related activity. For verbal intelligence, you can do role plays, storytelling and narration, reading books to the child. And for logical intelligence, you can do activities in the classifying, categorizing, or doing puzzles or logical intelligence related games. And for your the bodily intelligence of the child, either acting related, dancing, or sports related activity. And the musical intelligence, you can do oral singing or with the musical instruments, or dancing again. So with interpersonal intelligence, it is to do with socializing skill of the child, so praising, so such activities which can be included. Interpersonal intelligence is giving knowledge to the child, reading book to the child, and self-esteem and the confidence of the child can be built. And with related to naturalistic intelligence, activities related with the nature, earth, water play, or gazing the sky in the night. So all this can be related with the nature. And finally, on spiritual intelligence, we have seen the activities. Hope you have liked all our videos related with the multiple intelligence, and you could practice these activities with the child, and could identify which intelligence is strong with your child and which intelligence you could work more better. Got a very good quality time being spent with the child by doing this activity. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have liked the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe for our YouTube channel for many other parenting videos. Thank you parents, and happy parenting.